Guys, kinulang ako sa sa kape. Kaya nag-tea naman ako ngayon. Ayan o. Alcazar Hotel. Ang ganda. Gold na gold. Ang ganda. Dito na tayo sa Emirates Palace. Ayan na siya. Ganda ng Emirates Palace. Wow, look at that. Ang ganda dito, grabe. Pero magkakape lang kami. Ganda ng hotel mo. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Magkape. Magkakape tayo ngayon ng gold coffee. So we're going for a coffee. Last date namin ng anak ko. That's furthest one, right?
Yes, it's over there in that area. There's no trees.
Okay.
So I don't want to make you walk all the way there.
I will go.
Yeah. You have a your international number?
Yes. I have that number for you. So, dito kami magkakape mamaya. Kaso, mag-wait kami ng mga 20 minutes kasi busy. At yung mas maganda ang view. I mean, mas maganda ang lobby kesa dun sa ino-offer nila sa amin. Kaya, mamaya samahan nyo kaming magkape. You know, I took you a picture, Cindy. We have a picture in that fountain.
Really?
Yeah.
There's a beach.
We ate here, me and Uma and Opa, and Papa. And you also. There's a beach there. Tingnan nyo yan, mga kwarta nila. So, which one is the I'm going for right now?
The snacks are over there.
Look at all the cake, guys. Look at all the cake. How about this one? Is this a chocolate? Look at the chocolate. Grabe, laki. They even have this one. Sini, ayan na yung gold coffee ko. Oh, naghihintay na. Ayan ang gold coffee. Ayan, coffee na tayo. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-tea time. First time na ulit. nakalimutan na natin maging sosyala. Social lang konti. You have a drink?
No?
Why? So, ayan yung anak ko na hindi nagkape. Hindi kasi siya nagka-coffee. So, ayan yung gold, guys. So, ayan, may gold yung kape. Nakikita nyo. Gold coffee.
With complimentary dates.
With complimentary dates and a little bit of cake. But we order again another cake. Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo. So guys, this coffee cost 90 dirham. How much is that in euro?
I don't know.
So this is 90 dirham. Gold coffee.
Cheesecake.
For me, please. Thank you. So much. Yeah. Thank you. Ayan, nandiyan na yung aming mga cake. Makikita nyo.
Expensive. Is
Expensive.
your wallet okay?
My little cake, it's about 35. This is 35 dirham, right? Yeah, I think this is 35 dirham. It's okay. I think it's okay. With gold also. Naku, nakikita nyo.
With ice and lemon? With ice.
Meron siyang gold. At may dalawang macarons ang anak ko. Well, hati kami, tig-isa kami. At saka yung crinkles. Ayun yung masarap, crinkles. How much is your crinkles?
35.
35. Also 35 dirham. And then yung complimentary dates nila, ayan. At saka chocolate, white chocolate. At ang coffee matende. Ayan o. Gold na gold, ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, gold. Nag-i-Instagram siya. Minsan lang to. Minsan lang ulit. Actually, ang tagal ko nang hindi nagti-tea time. Since Taiwan. Last time ko nag-tea time sa TWG. Doon ako laging tumatambay. Ngayon hindi na. Layo kasi ng TWG. Tsaka wala na akong kachikahan. Anak ko. Ganda, oh. Grabe. Ayan yung gold coffee. Ang ganda rin ng gold coffee. Anong place? Grabe, oh. Makikita nyo. Malamig na yung coffee ko siguro. Charot, kadadating lang yan. At saka yung cake kung may gold din siya. Ayun, kung nakikita nyo yung gold. Gold ng cake. Cheesecake yan, cheesecake. Parang ayokong inumin yung gold. The coffee is not bad. Yung kape hindi masyadong okay lang. Parang mas masarap pa yung Starbucks. No, I'm just joking. Masarap, super masarap. Iniiwasan kong inumin yung gold. My last bonding with my anak. Nandito kami ngayon sa...
Forever?
No. Because she's now going home to Korea. So what do I think about the coffee? Yung gold, gusto ko siyang gusto kong kunin yung gold. Ayoko siyang inumin. Ang sarap ng cake. Guys, ayokong inumin yung gold. Gusto ko siyang i-save. Ayan, sumasabit. Enjoy natin ng 90 dirhams na coffee. Actually, ganito dapat yan. Minsan lang naman to eh. Hindi naman everyday. Kaya enjoy natin. Tikman natin yung cheesecake. Meron din siyang gold. Strawberry siya, strawberry. May chocolate. Grabe. Dito ako nakatikim ng cheesecake na napakasarap. Yummy. Baka may gold pa ako sa labi ko. Ang sarap dito, grabe. Second time kong pumunta dito ng dito sa hotel na to, Emirates Palace. Way back, I think 2007 yata or 2008. Nung last time kong pumunta dito. Pero ngayon lang ako tumikim ng nila, ng gold coffee nila. Kasi baka mamaya once in a lifetime lang naman So, baka mamaya hindi na kami bumalik ng Abu Dhabi. Kaya ngayon ko na itinry. Ayan, coffee with gold. Sagad-sagad din na natin. Minsan lang magpakatutyal. Tutyal. Binigyan kami ni Kuya. Nagdaming binigay sa amin, no? Fortune cookies. Kasi Chinese New Year, di ba? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung ating kapalaran. Let's see. Do you have to? Okay. Like that, di ba? Yun. I don't know how to do it. There. Let's see. Basahin natin.
Mr. Kim, do you have any other cheese?
Oh my God. I cannot read. Ang liit ng mga letra. Wala akong salamin. Can you read it for me, please? Okay. Do your thing.
Yep, and heart, but how?
In English?
You have a heart of gold.
Guys, kinulang ako sa sa kape. Kaya nag-tea naman ako ngayon. Ayan o. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng cup. Ayan o. Kinulang tayo. Ginabi na kami ngayon. Napasarap kami na ng upo dito sa sa lobby. So ayan. Dinner time na. Na oras na 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock ng gabi. Magsha-shopping pa sana kami na anak ko. Nagtipa more. Ganda. Ayan binigyan kami ni Kuya Dino ng ng tawag dito, cake. May kami, may pang-uwi. Thank you, Kuya Dino. Sarap ng mga cake ko. Ito yung kinain ng anak ko. Macarons ba yan? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye. So, tapos na kami dito sa Emirates Palace. Uwi na kami. Well, pupunta pa kami na ng Galleria Mall. Dahil doon kami pipikapin ng aking asawa. Now we're going outside. So cool. Look at the chandelier. Super, super nice. The shake. Look at that. Oh, look at the lights. Ang ganda sa gabi. So, punta kami sa... Hindi na maganda kasi hindi na masyado makikita yan. Look at that, guys. Wow! Oh. Ito muna tayo. Kita ko sa inyo. Yan. Guys, look. Oh, dito pala masarap magkape, oh. Ayoko na kasi masakit na ang aking tiyan. Ayan, oh. So guys, we're done here at the Emirates Palace. Now you see the Emirates Palace. Look at this beautiful place. We're done. Thank you.